Hey, it's Cassie, a digital strategist here at Neighborhood, and welcome to HubSpot for Beginners. Today in episode 6, we're going to show you how to clean up old deals. If your pipeline is full of deals that are going nowhere, I'm going to show you how to clean it up and get back on track. All right, so in HubSpot, I'm going to head over to my deal pipeline. So CRM and deals. Then in this case, I'm actually going to head over to my table view, and I'm going to choose the correct pipeline. Perfect. So in here, I can choose a variety of filters to find my old and inactive deals. So that could be a variety of metrics. So we could look at things that have old close dates or expired. It really just depends on what you consider old deals. So in this case, I might head over to my advanced filters, and then I'm going to go close date is more than 90 days ago. So let's just say I've got a 90-day sales cycle, so anything where its close date is older than 3 months, chances are it's no longer an active deal. I'm also going to make sure the deal stage is none of, won, or lost. Now that I've done my filters, I've found a number of deals that are no longer active. So I can just bulk select all of them. I can go edit, choose the stage, and move them to lost. If you have multiple pipelines, make sure you choose the correct one here. Once that's correct, hit update, and now they moved over to lost. From here, I can remove my filters, go back over to my table view or board view, and just check over my deals to make sure that only the active ones are left. Decluttering is great and shouldn't be overlooked. If you're ready to take your HubSpot to the next level, keep an eye out for episode 7. Happy HubSpotting.